What's up, it's your boy Steven Joe, aka Mr. Kaka. And what I did is ask my dad to buy me 2 snack wraps from McDonald's. And the hard part about it is pronouncing snack wrap. And you know my dad is Haitian and he had a tough time pronouncing snack wraps. And I have it on video. Daddy, I said I want 2 grilled snack wraps.
Don't grilled snack wraps.
Let me get 2 grilled snack wraps.
Don't grilled snack wraps. You got me? Don't grill. You want to take it? Yeah. Don't grill. Don't grill snack wrap.
Daddy, I say grilled snack wrap.
Don't grill snack wrap. You still don't hear me? Don't grill snack wrap. I don't know this.
Daddy, grilled. Grilled.
Grill. Don't grill the snack wrap. You still don't hear me?
I'm sorry, it's not that I don't understand. I don't understand.
Don't grill snack wrap. Oh, fuck.
So what'd you call it?
Não, não,
I said snack wrap.
oh, mamma fosse sparo,
Can you just say it one time, please?
Se viram?
Daddy, can you just say snack wrap, please? I hope there's a snack wrap in there. Can you say
Snack, okay, I don't care.
Daddy, please. Daddy, come on, can you just say
Oh,
Daddy, just say snack wrap.
Você vê no café?
Can you just say snack wrap? Just say.
Você vê no carro?
Alright, one time, I'm gonna leave you alone. Say snack wrap.
Snack club.
Say it one time.
Sabe?
Say dada. Huh?
I'm a motherfucking soldier. Call me James Tapp. All I hear is walker this, walker that. Worry about your girl, tell her get my dick back. M16, 100 round with no kickback.
Download my new mixtape in the description below. Yam the mixtape. Yam! I hated my life and had suicidal thoughts. I'm the one they threw rocks at, wondering when they gon' fall back. I'm trying to make me a tall stack. Trying to find me some honeys and snow white bunnies, not where them all at. Get money, you know how it go. Count stacks, man, just show me the dough. Show me the just made money and I'm about to make some more. And the damn thing funny and I got that crazy flow. Rich niggas, rich niggas, yeah, we get money just like that, nigga. My team, yeah, we stack them figures. Dollar bills, bruh, let's go get them. I hate lames and virgins that's over 18. I'm taking over the radio and mainstream. I hate rappers and I hate this ordinary shit. I hate rap music, so I'm recreating it.
If you want to see the raw, uncut footage of my videos, go subscribe to my YouTube channel, Steven Jolo.